Want to make money while you sleep? Here are 5 passive income ideas for 2025 that you can start today. Number 1, digital products. Sell templates, checklists, or ebooks, create once and sell forever on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. It's hands-off income once your links are out there. Number 3, YouTube automation. Launch a faceless channel like this one using AI tools for scripts, voice, and video. Yes, it works. Number 4, print on demand. Create t-shirt or mug designs and sell them without handling inventory. Tools like Printful do the heavy lifting. And number 5, AI tools and micro SaaS. Build a tiny tool that solves one problem, like a resume enhancer or AI tweet generator, and charge a small monthly fee. Want more ideas like these? Subscribe to Money Loop and stay in the income loop.